Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel where makeup is a passion and so is fashion. And welcome if you've been here before, and if you haven't been here before, welcome to my channel. Now, today's haul is from Sephora, and this is a small makeup haul and perfume haul. Let's start off with Dior, and it's one of the newest collection of perfumes that they put out. Now this does smell very pretty. Let's see what the name of it is, which I cannot say the name. I would butcher it. But this is what the box looks like. Let's see if that will pick up. This is what it looks like. And this is what the perfume looks like milk. Milky white. And it does smell good. I've smelled it already. It smells real good. Alright, well, keeping to the theme of perfumes, this one is replica, saying it wrong, getting tied tongue, and this one is from the garden. It does not smell like it's from the garden. I wanted to get the purse size so I can try it out before actually buying the big bottle, because they wanted $100 and something for the big bottle, and they didn't have a 1 ounce one for $85. So before I spend $100 and something $165 on a big bottle, I want to try it out. I do not like it. Do not smell like roses. Does not smell like flowers. It just doesn't smell like a garden at all. I never smelled a garden that smelled like this at all. Doesn't even come close to smell like a garden. Maybe vegetables, but not a flower garden. So that's a no for me. And then we have the one for um on a date. This is like the date from hell. Not a pleasant date, but a date from hell. I'm pretty sure if you wore this on a date, you would not get called for a second date. It does not smell good at all, by any means. Alright, so I seen this was a big deal for Christmas and everybody's Christmas stockings. And they was raving about it. So I said, why not get it and try it out? It was only $10. And man, this one is the I think it's the watermelon flavored, and it smells just like watermelon. It smells so good. I can't wait to put this in my purse. This smells fabulous. It smells just like what it says it is. It smells so freaking good. Excellent. Excellent. Alright, so now moving on. This is the only makeup thing that I actually got. And this is from One Size, the Wicked makeup palette from the movie titled itself. Let's see, how do I open this? And this is what it looks like. So, and these are the shades. The Glendala, and can't make out the other name. Let's try one. Oh, there's plastic over it. Can't try with the plastic over it. So, okay, let's try this one. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. And what color is that? Is Flying Free. Alright, let's try this one. The can't Nessa Rose. That green is gorgeous. Isn't that just so pretty? Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. These colors are popping. Yeah, these colors are popping. Look at that. Wow, that is pretty. So glad I picked this up. I'm surprised it isn't sold out. Really pretty palette. Alright, so then I picked up 2 lotions. Oh, let me start with the scrubber. So I just had to have that for my bath. So I like to scrub my body clean. So I bought the scrubber and I got this for $10 also. So when I scrub in the bathtub, because I like to scrub and scrub and scrub, I like to make sure that my body really is clean. This is what I got it for. $10. Not bad, it was on sale. Alright. So this is the Fit Me Skin Lotion. See if I can get this open. Alright, I can't open it with one hand. But it is the Butter Drop. And it smells just like cinnamon to me. Let's see if I can get this open with one hand. Nope, I can't get it open with one hand. Oh, there we go. There we go. I got it. I got it. Well, I thought I had it. Let's see. I got it. I got it. I got it. That's what it looks like. Thick. It is real thick. Look at that. That's thick as hell. Let me see if it smells good. It smells good. It smells like cinnamon to me. It's thick as hell though. Yeah, you won't be going too dry anytime soon with that when you put it on. Okay, just set that. And so this is the Sol de Janeiro. And this scent is, okay, can I say the name of it? I would butcher it. But this is the box. I don't know if that's coming too clear. This is the newest scent that's out. And I know I'm not going to be able to open this with one hand. But yeah, this is the newest scent that is out. I smelled it already and it does smell good. I just can't open it with one hand. Yeah, and I got the lotion on the other hand, so it's making it slippery and slide. But other than that, this is my small makeup haul from Sephora. Didn't do too much of a dent in my pocket. I think everything came out to $300. Because I was shopping and shopping and shopping. So I didn't do too bad on the price. Well, anyways, depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, and good night. God bless. Bye.